Well, hey there guys, what's going on? So this is the final series of this truck here, this 375,000 mile truck. Another job done by Jay's Mobile Mechanic Services here in the DFW area. So went ahead and got this truck just finished up. Got the new turbo in it. It looked like a rebuilt turbo. And obviously we got him a used intercooler. But overall the truck turned out good. For 375,000 miles, I gotta say one thing, it definitely does run really good. It drives really good. You know, for this would probably be, you know, $12,000 truck, locally $13,000 truck. Yeah, if you found one of these locally, these 6.7s are not cheap. People are paying big money for these, even with this kind of miles that you see on these trucks. So, but like somebody asked me too about this truck here. This truck is fully deleted. You can see right here, there's all the room right in there. Yo, if this wasn't deleted, you'd have that EGR core right there on the right passenger side valve cover there. Takes up a lot of room if you ask me. But overall, I think it turned out really good. Like I said, it drives really good. And for the miles that it's got on it, you know, for the amount of money that he's put into this truck with me, I think he's going to get another few years out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you inside. Somebody didn't believe me that this truck has got 375,000 miles on it. So let's go ahead and go inside and take a look at the odometer. Okay, so we're inside the truck. Looking at the odometer, you can see this thing has got 375,334 miles on it. An absolutely incredible machine. And for you Dodge guys that say these Fords won't go 375,000 miles on the original drivetrain, I can show you underneath this truck. It's bone dry too, which is incredible. So 375,000 miles. I think this guy's got a decent truck for the money, and for what he spent on it with me, I think he'll get another few years out of it. So, but yeah, if you guys have any trucks like this that you need work done in the DFW area, let me know. You can shoot me a message through Facebook under Jay's Mobile Mechanic Services. I really appreciate everybody joining me here today. If you guys have any questions or concerns or any videos that you're looking for on these newer style trucks, especially the 11 and up 6.7s, let me know. I'll see what I can do for you. So for all others, and I really appreciate the new subscribers that we have, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. See ya.